Pistachio plant. Tips for growing pistachio plant. Pistachio, Pistacia vera, small tree of the cashew family, Anacardiaceae, and its edible seeds, grown in dry lands in warm or temperate climates. The pistachio tree is believed to be indigenous to Iran. It is widely cultivated from Afghanistan to the Mediterranean region and in California. The seed kernels can be eaten fresh or roasted and are commonly used in a variety of desserts, including baklava, halwa, and ice cream. They are also used for yellowish-green coloring in confections. The seeds are high in protein, fat, dietary fiber, and vitamin B6. Not only are they the lowest calorie of the nuts, but they are rich in phytosterols, antioxidants, unsaturated fat, carotenoids, vitamins and minerals, fiber, and are just plain delicious. There are 11 species of pistachio nut trees, with only Pistacia vera being grown commercially. It's uncertain where pistachio nut trees originated, but possibly in Central Asia. Pistachio tree planting. The trees grow to a height of 25 to 30 feet tall and wide, with one or more trunks. To grow fruit, you must plant both a male and female tree, as the male and female plants are separate. The female tree produces the spring flowers followed by the reddish, wrinkled husks that contain the hard-shelled pistachio nuts. With proper care, pistachio trees bear fruit in about 5 to 8 years after planting and reach full maturity in 15 to 20 years. Most pistachio trees come in a biodegradable container, so dig a hole large enough to bury the entire container, spacing trees 12 to 20 feet apart and leaving 20 feet between rows. Small trees require careful handling because the budded tops break easily. Pistachio trees prefer full sun and are drought tolerant. The trees do best with infrequent, deep watering and well-drained soils. However, trees can grow in a variety of soils, such as slightly acidic, high alkaline, and saline. How to grow a pistachio plant? Climate is crucial when growing pistachio trees. Ideal temperatures for pistachios are above 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius during the day. Pistachios also need winter months cold enough to complete their dormant period, 45 degrees Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius or below. In addition, pistachio nut trees don't do well at high elevations due to the cool temperature or anywhere where it dips below 15 degrees Fahrenheit, -9 degrees Celsius. So it's a little picky about its temperature requirements. Conversely, pistachio trees do well in all soil types but really thrive in deep sandy loam. Well-draining soil is a must, and infrequent deep irrigation if possible. Additionally, they are quite drought-tolerant but don't do well in areas of high humidity. Fertilization and pruning. The slow-growing pistachio trees require fertilization once a year in the spring using 10 by 10 by 10 formula fertilizer. Pruning is important for pistachio trees, as the practice not only shapes the tree, but also facilitates harvest and cultural operations. Performing winter pruning, which is the dormant season, encourages tree growth in the spring. Pests and disease. Pistachio trees are susceptible to several pests and diseases, with the most common being verticillium wilt, a fungus that can kill trees of various ages. The trees are also susceptible to oak root fungus, which causes slow growth and yellowing and premature dropping of leaves. Pests of the pistachio tree include aphids, stink bugs, and various species of leaf-footed bugs. Other non-insect pests include blue jays, woodpeckers, and squirrels that eat the nuts. Harvesting nuts. A fully matured pistachio tree can produce up to 50 pounds of hulled nuts. Remove the hulls promptly after harvest to avoid staining shells. Harvest nuts at first sign of maturity, when the hulls change color from green to reddish, usually in late August to early September, as late harvesting can negatively affect the nut's quality and shorten its storage time. To harvest nuts, shake the tree by hitting it with a long pole made of fiberglass, plastic or wood, and allow nuts to fall on a tarp spread beneath the tree. Pruning pistachio trees. Since these trees are classified as fruit trees, pruning pistachio trees is integral to producing higher quality fruit while controlling growth. For young trees, select the 3 to 5 branches you wish to use as scaffold branches or the primary structure of your pistachio in April of the first growth season. Choose those that are equally spaced around the trunk, but not across from each other, with the lowest branch 24 to 32 inches, 61 to 81 cm above the soil, and cut all other branches below this. Remove any upper branches that will shade the tree trunk and pinch those that are not scaffolds to 4 to 6 inches from the trunk. Then in June, prune the scaffold branches to 2 to 3 feet, 61 to 91 cm in length to promote side branching, while leaving the lateral shoots to aid in shading the trunk as it grows. Maintain the open center structure as the tree grows taller by choosing secondary scaffold branches. You may prune 2 to 3 times a year, with summer pruning occurring in the spring and summer and dormant pruning in the fall.